Ebonyi son, how many times did I call you? How many times did I call you? It is high time you change your name. If I'm changing your name at this minute from Ebonyi son to Izi son, because somebody like you cannot represent the good people of Ebonyi, using your janjatic and cantankerous attitude and your deluded mind to represent the good people of Ebonyi. No, it is not possible. Izi son, that is your name from this minute. Somebody who has such corrupt mind cannot represent the people, the good people of Ebonyi. So that name, Ebonyi son, can no longer be suitable to you. How can somebody like you, who is portraying Ebonyi, will be devising this kind of a thing against our own brother, Ebuka Obi? Gina J Park. Simple because you want followers. You want money. So this is what it is all about. It is all about now fame, money, and whatever. Simple because you want to make money. And simple because you want to get more followers. Let me tell you, my brother. And there is nothing you can do about it. Ebuka Obi himself, there is nothing you do to Ebuka Obi that will get him down. Ebuka Obi is not looking for followers like you. You want to compete. Simple because Facebook come the other day. Person will be like you. When no ever dream say it go be anything for life. Kete potago mana na chọrọ na ki werezie afa ndị Ebonyi na akpọtọ nana. Like very the other guy na-ekwu okwu na say unu. Kedu ndị bụ unu? All because na ngị nwenye gị that road to pass on. Kita ofozia dị ka ndị Ebonyi na ndị Ebonyi bụzi ajọ mmadụ. Nọọsọ sa one on one ka ọ fụrụ bụ onye singere onwe out. My brother, let me tell you. Ebonyi son is not the only person that come from Ebonyi. There are a lot of good people in Ebonyi. And that is why we changed his name this morning, so that whatever trouble he is causing, he keep it for himself and his village as a whole. I want you to correct that impression of unu. Whenever you want to say something, my brother, differentiate ye. Kamara na no a particular person ke na agwa. Inekwu unu. Enwe ka the rest of Ebonyi people bụ ndị na-ada support ajọ omume nwanne anyị nwoke aba Ebonyi son na-eme. Onwe ka ha ga-esi wee na-afụta ya. Kedu uru ọ ga-abara gị ma ọ bụ na iritesi ụwa niile n'uru? Ị mara na asị na ezu afa ka ego. Kịta ihe a na-azazi bụ akụka gị. So that is what you want to. This is the good things you are bringing to Ebonyi. Ebonyi son. This is the good thing you are bringing to Ebonyi. Just because Facebook come out. Yesterday, you know, now flyover and you don't even dream that you will ever make anything in your life. And today you feel that you are having a little fame on internet. You your brain if you in again a J Park abrogo nwanne J Park nwanne my senior colleague you have seen it. Onya ka eji akpụ na Abakaleke. Onya ka eji akpụ unu Abakaleke. You don't have sense. Sense no day that your tiny score. Look at how deluded that somebody like you can be. How useless. Oh, you want to say that Ebuka Obi impregnated a woman? Not bara nwanyi ime na nke mekwe ji mi abortion onwo. Ihe a ka ị chọrọ iche na echiche gbasara nwoke ibe gị na agba mbọ dị ka isi agba. O nwere onye meribie. Gị nwa ka nna ajụ Ebonyi son o nwere onye meribie. Iji webu ka the reason iji weburu Ebuka Obi n'isi. Why is Ebuka Obi your problem? Is there no any other thing you can do on social media? Apatanasi content creators. What content have I ever seen you create on your platform? You have never been a content creator. On ije copy video mmadụ mesiri eme wee bịa tie nọrọ ebe a na-aṅụ ọkpọkọ maọbụ na-ata azụ. Ọnya bụ did that make you a content creator? Akpọba ndị content creator ịpụta. Easy son, let me tell you, be warned, be warned, be warned. Ndị Anambra ifili na gị na ha na akụkọ isi na abụrụgo padi padi, ọ ga ha ka gị ma ihe. You have never been wide before, you personally. You have never been wide, you never see anything, you have never relate with people where get ngabasi. You have never been anywhere. So don't think that this is your opportunity. My guy, if you want to reach out with these people, you get how you go take the do am and you go to work out for you. Okay, now tell me, where did the voice note where you make now take leak? If not be the same person where you call your brother or where you call your own, where be JPAC, who else go leak that voice? All these things you say they find money, they find followers. So the followers where you get, you are not satisfied yet. If you know spoil person name, join, destroy and tarnish somebody's image, you cannot be satisfied and happy. Let me tell you, my guy, me personally go come carry you like this, go give them, make the deal with you. As in make the deal with you, woto, they go drill you, woto. How can you be thinking evil and you said you are a Ebonyi son? No more Ebonyi son, easy son. Onele moto, onelo moto, onelo moto. Go back and behave like that's your timid village people. Neme bisiafa Ebonyi eji maka we na akpọ anyị ndị Abakaliki. We are the good people of Ebonyi. We are not in support of whatever thing you are doing, whatever evil you are devising against others. Anyị nwa bụ ndị Ebonyi ada support gị. I'm number one in Africa. Let me tell you, my guy. Mgbe ha ga-achọrọ gị wee bịa Ebonyi ebe a, mụnwa personally, mụnwa ga-abịa kpọpụta gị ebe ị nọ, kpọrọ gị kpọnye ha n'aka. There is no, you cannot hide anywhere here. There is no place you can hide though. If you think you can hide anywhere, you are even lucky say that video where you talk say you won't do, say you never do am. You say you don't do that video, my guy, I guarantee you more than 20 years imprisonment. Oh. I dey tell you true. Say you not luck where you just get be say you never do that video. If say you don't do the video, post that video, nothing go make Ebuka Obi leave you on this particular one. Make I tell you, he don't know Ebuka Obi. He have never been with Ebuka Obi. You have never met with him one-on-one. For your information, he is a lion. In case you don't know, he is a proper lion. Do you think it is easy to control such auditorium? Do you think it is easy to control those crowd that is controlling one man alone, doing all that? Are you jealous of him now? You can never be like him. In your next life, self, with the kind of thinking where you get, you can never be like Ebuka Obi. I have been opportune to meet with Ebuka Obi face to face. I have been with Ebuka Obi for days. Not that I come to his ministry, but I have been opportune to spend time with him. I see that the young man have his own way of life. And he believes in what he serves. Why did you people want to spoil the good name of Ebuka Obi? For God's sake, why una want spoil the boy name? Wetin do una? Emeruni eme Ndi Igbo emeruni eme. Ịpụtazi ya nwanne ga bụrụ onye ị ga-eji wee na-atụ mgbere afịa. Na ọ bụrụ ana na imebi ha afọ Ebuka Obi na ịma nkonye na line na ịma nwe ihe ibe gị na-enwe. Who told you that you cannot be rich without spoiling another person's name? Agwara gị na ndị niile nwechara ego na ala Igbo nọ afa mmadụ ka amebi wee nwetie. Kedu ihe dị iche gị na onye oshi maọbụ onye ama maọbụ onye aka na akpa? What is the difference? Ị na-emebi afa mmadụ ka iwe nwa akụ na ụba. Onye oshi na-eji apụnarị nke ya n'ike. Onye aka na akpa na-eji ụzọ aghụghọ wee jee fọrọ nke onye ọzọ fọnyere. What is the difference? Kedu ihe dị iche? Ị makwa na ebe egburu onye ori ka a ga-egbu gị? Is it son? I'm asking you. Do you know ị ma na ebe egburu onye ori ka a ga-egbu gị? This onye ara efulefu dị ka gị. Kedu ihe ị ga na-eche echiche ka onye eriri eri dị ka gị? And you said you are representing Ebonyi, even answering the name. And people will think that this is Ebonyi, and that is how they behave. The other guy have started saying, dear Ebonyi, no, it was behave. Before you know it now, they said I have started insulting Ebonyi people. Okay, how you go take blame that guy when they talk that thing? No be even any other thing they vex me. Wetin they vex me be say your name na Ebonyi son. But your name is automatically changed now from Ebonyi son to Izi son. If your name is something different that is not representing Ebonyi, I don't have anything to do with this video. If you watch all my contents, if you watch all the jobs I do, you will know I don't have time for this kind of thing. Why must you bring shame to the name of Ebonyi? Because you want to be rich, you want to be famous, you want to be glorious. Let me tell you, my guy, no matter what you do, you no go fit be glorious if God no make you glorious. No matter what you do, you cannot be too famous if God did not make you famous. Make I ask you, do you know how many thousand copies the music of Mbaka Y sold? Mbaka Y, do you know how many million copies he sold in 1 week? Do you know how many thousands copies he sold in a day? Just in a day. But where is he now? Is he not the one in Asabade gallivanting? Is he not the one in Asabade na agari ka onye ara ka onye isi na adịrọ mma? Even if say all the things when talk for the video good, fine. But what is his benefit now? I am not saying that if you see something that is wrong that you should not say it. I'm not saying that if you see something that you are supposed to say that is proper, that you should not say it. But devising a means to destroy another person's image for you to grow, my guy, you deserve to. I'm telling you the reality. You deserve. Prison. You go prison. You see you. The eye where I take they see you. I know sure say success go ever limit you because you tie yourself in a kechi onwege kechi in a konwege abo. Oh, because na inere anya ọ dịghị ka J Park na ọ na-agaziri iche na gị na J Park nwere ofe akara aka. Now you are using the Ebonyi people to make jokes. A na-ekwu nke unu mere eme unu na-eme ọzọ. The good Ebonyi that God used in hand to build and secure and beautify for us. You want to use to come and pancake everywhere to nonsense. That will go back to you. It can never be the portion of Ebonyi. My good people of Africa, Nigeria and the world at large, I'm here to tell you that this na a boy where they call himself Ebonyi son. His name is changed from Ebonyi son to Izi son. He is not representing Ebonyi well. We the good people of Ebonyi say this person no go fit represent us. That is what we are here to say. Whenever you are making a video concerning him, don't say you. How did he say it? You people. Don't say you people. Call him by his name, so that other people who are not supporting this evil act of his, we know that yes, they are directly talking to him. I greet you, my people. We, the Ebonyi people, we are very good people, and we know they support evil. We love one another. Now only Ebonyi be the place where you go come, you go get all the safety where you need. Now only Ebonyi where you go come, person go comot for im house, comot for im bed, say lie down for here. Na only for Ebonyi wey you go come, you go get the safety wey you need. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is #1 in Africa. Thank you.